Guys, it's me, God12 211 2K. I just found out some bad news. Unfortunately, my cat has internal bleeding, which can lead to death. And we didn't know, but my cat had it for a while, and she doesn't have long to live. If you have any suggestions on what to do, please let me know. I'm really upset right now. I don't know what to do. Because she's like my baby. I don't want to lose her. But, yeah, if you have any suggestions, please let me know. And please subscribe and like, for my cat, please. Bye.